Now here del square f of r, f del square f of r. So del square means already we know that del dot del square is nothing but del dot del, which is equals to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Then del square f of r means I need to differentiate with respect to x twice, with respect to y twice. R is available. R means immediately the necessary information to be noted here. R bar equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and R is nothing but mod R bar, which is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Then further dou r by dou x, which equals to x by r dou y by dou r. No one are going to ask you that how you are getting this. Just you list in the beginning itself. Dou z by dou r equals to z by r. This is now I cannot differentiate twice at a time, so I may go with the parts. If I try with first dou by dou x of f of r, unless until you know the function clearly, because d by dx of log x means 1 by x we can write, but d by dx of f of x means I don't know, so simply I may write differentiation derivative. So f dash r times I performed with respect to x, so dou by dou x of the variable is treated as r here, which is equal to f dash of r times x by r, f dash of r times x by r. This first derivative. Similarly, the second derivative, dou square by dou x square of f of r, which is equals to dou by dou x of f of r. So dou by dou x of f of r means f dash of r times x by r. Now here yeah, now it's for my convenience here. What I may write is for my convenience dou by dou x of f dash of r x times 1 by r, so that it's in the form of d by dx of u v w. U v whole dash means we know that u dash v plus v dash u. Here, if more than two functions were there, at anyhow, whether two functions or three functions, n functions, at a time only one function will be differentiated. So that's the reason here u v w dash plus u w v dash plus v w u dash. So at a time only one function is differentiated. So similarly here, one function, second function, third function, three functions were there. So dou by dou x of give me a minute, let me check settings, options, display. Take a scroll bar on left here. Pages tabs on left side, and new pages, through lines, display clipping, customize ribbon, advanced, cursor pen, email not necessary, battery optimization. Because at every time I'm facing the difficulty with the cursor, where it is display. Yeah, now I I got in the left hand side. Earlier it was there on the right hand side. View page numbers. Review not necessary. History. Just a minute. Just a minute. Insert space. Any toolbar selection. Office background. Office colorful. Okay. Instead of wasting time, let me try this. Okay. So as per that, dou square by dou x square of f of r equals to uvw. So let me write a u is this uv. So f dash of r times x times for 1 by r minus 1 by r square times dou r by dou x plus middle differentiation f dash r times differentiation of x with respect to x will be 1 into 1 by r plus x times 1 by r times differentiation of f dash of r will be f double dash of r times dou r by dou x. Simplification here, f dash of r minus 1 by r square, dou r by dou x means x by r, so will be x square by r plus f dash of r times 1 by r plus x square by r cube, because here dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. So x by r times x by r, x by x square by r square, not a x square by r square, f double dash of r. Where is scroll? Oh, here it is. Then further here, dou square f of r by dou x square equals to, this is x square by r, then minus 1 by r square will be minus f dash of r times x square by r cube plus f dash of r times 1 by r plus x square by r square times f double dash of r. Similarly, I may write dou square f of r divided by dou y square. Wherever x is available in that, in the place of x is replaced with y. That's it. So here minus f dash of r times y square by r cube plus, there is no x and y here, so will be as it is, f dash of r times 1 by r plus x square, that means y square by r square, f double dash of r. Similarly, dou square f of r by dou z square, which is equal to minus f dash of r times z square by r cube plus f dash of r divided by r plus z square by r square, f double dash of r. This is, now adding all this means here I required del square, so del square f of r means here, let me change the color, del square f of r equals to, adding this here, in this first term I can take minus f of f dash of r by r cube can be common, f dash of r by r cube can be common. So first term is x square, second term is y square, third term is z square plus, I think this is repeated 3 number of times, so 3 times f dash of r by r. In this one also I can take a f double dash of r by r square as common, then I may get here x square plus y square plus z square. So then here minus f dash of r divided by r cube times r square plus 3 times f dash of r by r plus f double dash of r by r square times r square. I think I can cut r square. Here also I can have only r. So therefore del square f double dash of f of r is equals to 3. F dash of r can be taken common. So I may write here 3 by r minus 1 by r will be 2 by r. F dash of r is common by r. So I may get 3 minus 1, 2. So simply 2. Plus f double dash of r. I think this is what we required if I'm not wrong. No. This is what, yeah, f double dash of r into 2 by r times f dash of r. This is okay, friends, because some we need to show in the written. Then curl of r bar times f of r. Same logic I may follow here. Here first, what is r bar times f of r? R bar is equals to here xi bar, standard form. R bar is equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now, if I simplify that, what is I bar coefficient means x times f of r, j bar coefficient means y times f of r, k bar coefficient means z times f of r. This is. Now, curl r bar times f of r. So, curl means here I may write this is del cross r bar times f of r. So, first vector del, so dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Second vector arc bar f of r. So here I bar coefficient is x f of r, y f of r, z f of r. This is only simplification is needed. If you simplify the same logic, I may get here the curl value is 0. If I believe that you may try this. If not, we may explain, no issues in that. Since curl of r bar cross r bar f of r equal to 0, then it is called irrotational. Curl value 0, then it is irrotational. Die value 0, then it is solenoidal. Solenoidal are incompressible. Irrotational are conservative. In examination, either irrotational or conservative. Now, w is a constant vector. Constant vector means if we differentiate that, will be 0 with respect to x, will with respect to y, with respect to z. If you differentiate with respect to any variable, that will be 0. That is the meaning of the constant vector. Evaluate curl v bar, where v bar equal to w bar cross r bar. W bar is given as a constant vector. So, W1 I bar here it considered as W bar is equal to W1 I bar plus W2 J bar plus W3 K bar. Then R bar is standard 1. Then V bar equal to W bar cross R bar. That was given in the problem itself. I have not taken my own curl of V bar, where V bar equal to W bar cross R bar. That's the reason. First here we are trying to find V bar value. Then we may apply curl on that. Any doubt? I think someone is unmuted. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah. So here, first vector is W. W is written here W1 I bar plus W2 J bar plus W3 K bar. R bar equal to standard form XI bar plus YJ bar plus ZK bar. Simplification, I may get I bar times W2 Z minus W3 Y. Then J bar is times W1 Z minus W3 X plus K bar times w1y minus w2x, that is. Then curl dou by dou x of curl means del cross v bar. So first vector is del, let me, yeah, v bar. First vector is del, that means I bar coefficient is dou by dou x, j bar coefficient dou by dou y, k bar coefficient dou by z, dou z. Then v bar, just now we calculated. I bar is equal to w2z minus w3y. J bar is equals to negative, along with the sign I supposed to take, minus w1z minus w3x, or if you simply multiply inside, it will be plus, this will be minus. Either of that also you may write. Then k bar coefficient is w1y minus w2x, just only differentiation. So the I bar coefficient with respect to x and with respect to y, I may get w1, yeah, with respect to z, I may get minus w1. Okay, so minus of minus w1. Similarly, this is I bar times. Similarly, j bar and k bar, I may get the same value, 2w1 I bar plus 2w2 j bar plus 2w3 k bar. 2 is common, w1 I bar plus w2 j bar plus w3 k bar, which is considered as, actually w bar is not given, we assumed that. So my final answer should be in terms of the same, the given only. Some alternative definitions. This one we have studied already. Grad phi is equal to del phi I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z. Or simply, since the cyclic notation, the sigma is represented as cyclic notation. As per cyclic notation, at a curl we may discussed our cross product I bar j bar k bar cyclic. So whenever the cyclic is there in the picture, I may write sigma of first term, so that the rest of the terms, if we expand, we may get the same. So del phi is also can be written as sigma I bar dou phi by dou x, which means this is. Then del dot f bar or div f bar. Even this one also I may write here, del dot f bar. I am not expanding the f bar, I am keeping the f bar as it is. Then if I write inside I bar dot, because vector is here, dou by dou x can be written this or this one, because I bar into dou by dou x, it doesn't make a sense. So that's the reason, instead of this, I may use only to this. I bar dou f bar by dou x plus j bar dou f bar by dou y plus k bar dou f bar by dou z. Then I may write the first term, sigma times first term, I bar dot, here the dot product is there, remember that, dou f bar by dou x. I think this is coming second time. This space is repeated second time. At the time of picking images, this is next. Similarly, curl also I may write this del cross f bar, instead of dot, here it is cross. So I bar, this dou f by dou x, dou by dou y is applied, dou by dou z is applied. So I bar cross dou f bar by dou x plus j bar cross dou f bar by dou y plus k bar cross dou f bar by dou z, we may write. Or further I may write this one, just yeah, further I may write this one as instead of entire, I may write sigma of the first term. That's what. Then operator a bar dot del, a bar dot del. Del dot a bar means div a bar. But a bar dot del, if I want I can write, but there is something function, something scalar function is given, that is a bar dot del phi. Meaning is this, a bar dot del equal to a bar dot I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z. So I can rewrite this one as a bar dot I into dou by dou x of something. The something I supposed to fill as per my requirement. Or simply if I write phi will be dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z. So a bar dot I bar dou phi by dou x, a bar dot plus a bar dot j bar dou phi by dou y plus a bar dot k bar dou phi by dou z. So like this I may write a bar dot del is equal to sigma a bar dot I bar dou by dou x. Yeah, phi is given. See this now. A bar cross del, again the same logic. Instead of the dot, there might be cross. That's it. Sigma a bar cross I bar dou phi by dou x. If I use the phi, this is. And div a bar cross b bar equal to b bar. Div means del dot. Del dot a bar cross b bar equals to, because a bar cross b bar is a vector. Since cross product is vector, del also vector, a bar cross b bar also vector. So this product is defined. Then del dot a bar cross b bar. Whatever చేయనారు మణికంఠ ఈ టైంలో కానీ yeah. Then div a bar cross b bar equals to, just a moment before we wrote div a bar across v bar. Again here one more thing I need to explain. D by dx of uv is equals to uv dash plus vu dash. The same can be applied to the cross product also. D by dx of a bar cross b bar equal to d by dx of a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross d by dx of b bar. You are not authorized to misplace this. If you misplace, then we supposed to plug negative sign here. Div a bar cross b bar is equal to, then here dou by dou x of a bar cross b bar can be rewritten here. Dou by dou x of a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross dou by dou x of b bar. Then if separated, this one term, this is another term. This is what. And further here, sigma I bar dot dou a bar by dou x. See, a bar dot b bar cross c bar can be rewritten because it was told in yesterday that both are same, which is a bar b bar c bar box, which is equal to determinant a bar components, b bar components, c bar components. So a bar cross b bar, a bar dot b bar cross c bar can be rewritten here. Since it is a vector, this is a vector. Between two vectors, dot product is defined. So I may write here a bar cross b bar dot c bar. A bar cross b bar dot c bar. This is for our convenience. So I want to switch this. So I bar cross dou a bar by dou x dot b bar. Similarly here, I bar, these two orders is changed. I bar cross dou b bar by dou x dot a bar. But it's nothing but directly I bar cross means, I bar cross dou by dou x means simply I may write this as curl a bar dot b bar. Similarly, this one I can write curl b bar dot a bar. So div a bar cross b bar equal to b bar dot curl a bar minus a bar dot curl b bar. Unless until you practice this, you may not able to find, you may not able to fix this. So keep on practice. Now del f dot cross del g are is solenoidal vector function. Same, solenoidal means here div is equal to 0. Div of vector is equal to 0. So based on that, div of del f cross del g. That means div means del dot del f cross del g. Same logic again. Div del f cross div a bar cross b bar can be rewritten here. B bar dot curl a bar minus a bar dot curl b bar. So based on that, I may write further here. Since curl del f already is 0, we have proven that curl del f is equal to already 0. Curl del phi, I mean to say that. Then div del f cross del g is equal to 0. only practice. Similarly, dive A bar cross R bar, also the same logic. Irrotational, evaluate dive A bar cross R bar. Dive means del dot. We know the dive A bar cross B bar times curl A bar minus B bar times curl A bar minus A bar A bar dot curl B bar. Substituting and simplifying individual, you will get the rest. Similarly, show that curl A bar cross B bar. Same logic. We may write that curl A bar cross B bar equals to extension of the problem. A bar dot del phi at 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, A bar is equal to this. What it is given? A bar dot del of phi. First try to complete this. What is A bar dot del? A bar is this, phi is this. Then A bar dot del bar means A bar dot del phi. So A bar dot I, A bar dot I bar dou phi by dou x. This one, since summation, I may extend this one to 3. So A bar dot I bar times dou phi by dou x plus A bar dot j bar, since summation matters. Since A bar dot j bar dou phi by dou y plus A bar dot k bar dou phi by dou z. After that, phi value, substitute phi value in this. We may get this one. Only nominal differentiation. That's the reason I'm not going in depth of that. Similarly, A bar cross del phi. Earlier A bar dot del, I think so. Just substitute and simplify. Nothing more. Quite easy only. Only normal differentiation. Show that the del of del dot r bar by r is equals to minus 2 by r cube times r bar. So first del dot r bar by r. Del dot means xi bar, del is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. R bar by r. R bar by r equal to, generally the vector may not be in the denominator. If you write the vector in the denominator, means somewhere you committed mistake. Vector will be always in the numerator, remember that. Xi bar by r, yj bar by r plus zk bar by r. That's what. So entire r bar by r value is expanding this. Dive. This is I got that. Now dive r bar by r is equals to, simplify that. I think that direction derivative, about the direction derivative we studied in the beginning itself. Again direction derivative. This is one here. Find the direction derivative of function xy square plus yz square plus zx square along the tangent to the curve. Along the tangent to the curve, x is equal to t, y equal to t square, z equal to t cube. At the point earlier, in the direction of another point, so I joined p and q. Here it was given along the tangent of the curve. Along the tangent of the curve, tangent means differentiation, first derivative. So at x is equal to t, y equal to t square, z equal to t cube at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. So phi value is this del phi, because the direction derivative means del phi at p dot r bar. So then del phi is equals to y square minus 2xzi bar plus z square minus 2xyj bar plus 2yz plus x square k bar. After that, substituting the functional value 3, then here r bar is known in that d equal to dr bar by dt. So differentiating this with respect to differentiating this with respect to t. So d by dt of 1 d by dt of t equal to 1 into I bar plus d by dt of t square, that is 2 times t, then d by dt of t cube, that is 3 times t square, and simplification. Oh, completed. Let me open the textbook also, anything that we missed. Prove that the grad w are coplanar. Rarely may be asked. Coplanar. Yeah. See this box ABC. Simply dot product. Box ABC. If that value equal to 0, then they are in the same plane. That means they cannot form tetrahedron. They cannot form tetrahedron. That is. Here, whenever a problem in the direction of line, if it is given to find the direction derivative, these are called the DRs. Z by 1, Z minus 0 by 1. So, the vector, required vector is written here, A cap. Simply our A bar is equals to A bar is equals to 2I bar minus 2J bar plus 1K bar. Then its length by mod A bar divided by under root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, which makes here 1 by 9. 1 by 9 means 3 will be there. That's what 3 here. That's what the reason 3 is available here. Angle, about the angles also we discussed. Till this the beginning. Del applied a vector point function, del dot f bar. Curl also applied a vector point function. So the divergence, del means divergence. Divergence of a continuously differentiable function, a continuously differentiable vector point function f bar denoted by the div f bar. Again, the curl of the continuously differentiable vector point function f is defined. Why the continuity term is appeared means here, to apply the differentiation integration, the curve must be continuous, then only we may try. Similarly, this one also. Physical interpretation of divergence. I think in the last class, through a pipe, 1 liter of water is pumping. Within a minute, if I pump 1 liter, the output should be 5 only. That means there is no change in the. There is no change. If it is there is any change, then it is called a compressible. In the case of compressible, dive equal to 0. A V bar gives the rate at which fluid originating from at a point per unit volume. Just have an eye on this definitions, which we discussed already that. And even this one also we come across that. Del applied a gradient, del digrad, curl grad, dive curl, and curl of curl f bar. These are called vector identities. Its proof only is going to be asked in exam. Like this, lot many were there. Del dot f bar equal to 0. The reason is observation. This is the reason is del cross f bar is a vector. This del is a scalar. Okay. Similarly, that's shortcut notation. Del square r point, and also we come across that. almost all the topics were covered. Even del for this I need minimum 1 hour, approximately 40 minutes to complete this problem in detail, minimum 40 minutes. So that's the reason I'm not there enough to start the problem now. If time permits, we may see that. The rest are just notation different. Integration of vector is not there for your syllabus in third unit. It is in the fourth unit. Here line integral about that will be discussed in the fourth unit. Okay, with this third unit is completed by me. Any doubts?